Hey, what's up guys, Junqin here. Okay, so today I'm going to review something else that's very special for PC gamers, especially for desktop gamers. You know that there's a must to make your PC looks more fashion and also looks more colorful and also looks good in terms of design as well, right? Today I'm going to review 3 casing and also 3 sizes of them. Is different size, different design, but the feature is almost the same. Right now, today I'm going to review Cougar casing, which is the Gemini T, Gemini S, and also Gemini M. 3 of the casing is actually integrated RGB effects, so you don't have to install extra fans to enhance the RGB lighting effects. And also 3 of the casing is included 1 extra fans by Cougar. Okay, so long story short, let's get started. First and foremost, I'm going to review Gemini T first as the biggest size within 3 of them. So Gemini T is a mid-tower casing. People nowadays tend to use normal fans, normal PC fans, you know, to brighten up their PC by using the RGB fans. With this casing, you don't have to worry about that because it already has a built-in RGB lighting effects. It's front panel and also top panel. So they call it the Cougar Trelux RGB lighting effects. So for the Trelux RGB lighting effects, you might wondering, can my motherboard sync with the RGB effects with the casing? Of course you can. It's compatible to sync with Asus Aura Sync and also Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light, and also ASRock Polychrome. Okay, so for the glass wing, as you can see inside my video, you can see the Gemini T can actually, both sides of the casing can actually open up. I mean, this unique design can actually let you to have a clear view to see inside your PC what it looks like, and also it's very convenient for maintenance as well. You don't have to screw that, screw this, you just open up, then you can start maintaining your PC. This is one of the most curious part. I mean, it's the most interesting part for me because it can actually support a vertical GPU. By far, I see all the casing, you know, they actually only support a horizontal placement graphic cards in your PC casing, but with Gemini T, you can actually put it vertically. For the vertical GPU, it can actually support up to 400mm, and yeah, it can support actually all of the graphic cards nowadays. So for a perfect CPU, you might need a better cooling system and also better casing that can actually to release all the heat to make the airflow inside your casing more smooth. So with Gemini T, it can actually support up to 9 fans and also 4 water cooling radiators. It's actually a built-in refrigerator inside your PC casing. So 2 big frontal vents with detachable filters, so you can guarantee a clear air intake. Okay, so you can see at the top panel, it also supports USB 3.1, USB Type-C, and also 2 USB 3.0, and along with headphone and microphone jacks. And also the RGB lighting buttons, you can actually change the RGB lighting effects. So for the fans, you can put in up to 320mm or 240mm intake fans. With one 120mm fan is actually factory installed. For every Cougar Gemini series casing, it actually included a free fan, which is the 120mm fan is actually pre-installed inside your casing. So for the drive bay, it can actually put it up to 5 drive. For 3.5 drive, you can put it 2, and also for 2.5 drive, you can put it 3, which is your HDD or your SSD. Besides the Gemini T, there's also Gemini S as well. So for Gemini S, there's also integrated RGB lighting effects, which they call it the Trelux. It's similar to Gemini T, but the difference is it only has has front panel integrated RGB lighting effects, but not the top panel. And also you can sync with Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic, and also ASRock Polychrome. For Gemini S, it can actually support up to 410mm long graphics card, but for this casing you can't put it vertically, it only can put it horizontally. So for Gemini S, it can allows you to install 8 fans and also 3 water cooling radiators. With the front and the top one, it can put it up to 360mm fans. So for the storage wise, you can put it up to 2 3.5 HDDs and also 5 2.5 SSDs, or even 7 2.5 SSDs is okay as well. Alright, so last but not least, besides the Gemini T and also Gemini S, so here comes the Gemini M, the smallest casing within 3 of them. So for Gemini M, it can actually support up to 2 330mm long graphic cards. For the cooling part, Gemini M allows you to install 6 fans, 3 water cooling radiators, front and top ones up to 280mm. For the storage wise, you can actually put it up to 2 3.5 HDDs and also 2 2.5 SSDs, or you can put it up to 4 2.5 SSDs. Alright, so that's a review for these 3 amazing casings. Special thanks to Cougar for sponsoring me these 3 such amazing PC casing to, to showcase to you guys, to let you guys see how gorgeous it is. And also, I'm really thankful to get supported by ASRock Online. They build good PC and also with reasonable price. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, you can comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. It's Junqin here. Peace out. So I will see you guys in next video.